we will draw isometric view of the object shown here. This is a triangular prism of thickness 41 millimeters, penetrated by a square prism of size 15 by 15, and also the triangular prism has a slot, transverse slot on top like this. So we start drawing this by drawing this triangular prism first. The front face of this prism will draw it in the iso left plane. So as it is here, it is in the iso left plane now, and enable orthographic mode. Then start from somewhere here. Line from here 50 millimeters. First we'll draw 25 millimeter and another 25 millimeter, total base 50 millimeters, and then repeat line from this point. End of this, we will draw a vertical line of length 45 millimeters. Enter. Now we will join this point to this point and to this point. That becomes the front face of the prism. Now we will copy this over 13 millimeters, 15 millimeters and 13 millimeters, so that we get 3 slices of that. So copy this and this, selection complete in the iso right plane. Click here. This is 13 millimeters, 13 plus 15, 28 millimeters, plus 13, 41 millimeters. So those are the 3 slabs there, and we'll delete this line which we don't need. Okay. Now draw line. To the end of this, repeat line from the end of this to the end of this, repeat line from the end of this to the end of this here. Note that this portion of the top edge is not there. Then first we'll and also now we'll draw the base of that square prism in the iso left plane. Repeat line from here 10 millimeters and go to iso top plane. $15 millimeters and then 10 millimeters. Okay. Now repeat line in the ISO right plane. Go up by 15, to the right by 15, down by 15. Okay, and then remove this line, and repeat line, end of this in the ISO top plane. Ten. Now we will draw the slot there. To draw the slot, draw a line, vertical line from here, a vertical line of length 15 millimeters, and then in the ISO left plane, we'll draw a line like this. Okay, again repeat line from the end of this line, one more line like this, enter, and then we trim this line and this line, and then in the ISO right plane, we draw a line from the end of this like this at 150 degrees, and again repeat line from the end of this 150 degrees like this, enter. Then trim this line and this line, trim this line and also this line, enter. Now trim this line and this line. That completes the isometric drawing of the object. So like this. Now what remains is to write dimension for this, which can be done in the usual way.